Meetings are where critical decisions are made, progress is reviewed, and new ideas are generated. However, meetings can quickly become unproductive and frustrating for participants without proper management. Time is wasted, goals are unclear, and discussions can go off track, leaving team members disengaged and demotivated. By focusing on meeting planning and preparation, setting the right environment, facilitating the meeting, employing effective communication techniques, utilizing visual aids and collaborative technology, assigning action items and follow up, and evaluating meeting effectiveness, teams can maximize the value of their meetings and achieve their objectives. Foundation of a successful meeting lies in thorough planning and preparation. Before the meeting, clear objectives and desired outcomes should be defined. Knowing what you want to achieve helps set a focused agenda and guides the direction of the meeting and the discussion. Objectives might include making a decision, brainstorming ideas, or reviewing progress. Another critical step is creating a detailed agenda. The agenda should outline the topics to be discussed, allocate time for each item, and specify who will lead each discussion. This helps keep the meeting on track and ensures that all relevant points are covered. Sharing the agenda with participants beforehand acknowledges their valuable contributions and allows them to prepare, making them feel more engaged and appreciated. Selecting the right participants is also essential. Only those who directly impact meeting decisions or are affected by the meeting's objectives should attend. This ensures the discussion is relevant and that the right people are available to make decisions and provide insights. The environment in which a meeting is held can significantly influence its effectiveness. The first step is to choose an appropriate meeting location. The space should be comfortable, free from distraction, and conducive to open discussion. Ensuring a stable internet connection and quiet environment is equally essential for virtual meetings. Another critical aspect is ensuring that the necessary technology and tools are available. This would include projectors, whiteboards, video conferencing equipment, and other tools that might be needed for the meeting. Having these resources readily available prevents delays and disruptions. Establishing a conducive atmosphere for open discussion involves setting ground rules for behavior and communication. Encouraging respect, active listening, and constructive feedback helps create a positive and inclusive environment where all participants feel valued and heard. Effective facilitation is critical to keeping the meeting on track and ensuring productive discussions. Starting on time sets the tone for punctuality and respect for everyone's time. Setting ground rules up front, such as limiting interruptions and staying on topic, helps maintain order and focus. Encouraging participation and engagement is critical for a successful meeting. Facilitators should ensure that all participants have the opportunity to contribute, especially those who might be less vocal. This can be achieved by asking for input from quieter members or using techniques like round robin discussions. Another important aspect is managing time efficiently and effectively. Keeping an eye on the clock and adhering to the agenda ensures that the meeting stays within its allocated time. If discussions start to veer off track, the facilitator should gently steer them back to the agenda, ensuring that all necessary topics are covered. Effective communication is at the heart of productive meetings. Active listening involves paying attention to what others are saying, acknowledging their points, and providing feedback. This helps in creating a collaborative environment where participants feel heard and respected. Another important skill is addressing conflicts and facilitating resolutions. Conflicts can arise during meetings, and addressing them constructively is essential. Facilitators should remain neutral, encourage open dialogue, and help find common ground. Resolving conflicts effectively ensures that the meeting progresses smoothly and that decisions are made collaboratively. Summarizing key points in discussions and decisions regularly helps keep everyone on the same page. This can be done at the end of each agenda item and after the meeting. Summaries provide clarity, ensure understanding, and serve as a reference for future actions. Visual aids can significantly enhance the effectiveness of meetings. Tools like charts, graphs, slides can help present information clearly and concisely. Visuals make it easier for participants to grasp complex data and keep them engaged throughout the discussion. Technology plays a crucial role in virtual meetings and remote teams. Video conferencing tools like Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet facilitate real-time communication and collaboration, allowing team members to connect from different locations. Screen sharing, virtual whiteboards, and collaborative documents are also valuable tools that enhance interaction and productivity. Integrating technology to enhance collaboration involves selecting the right tools and ensuring all participants are familiar with their use. Training and support can help maximize the benefits of these technologies, leading to more efficient and productive meetings. One of the most important outcomes of any meeting is assigning action items. Clearly defining the action items and responsibilities ensures everyone knows what is expected of them and who is accountable for each task. Action items should be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Setting deadlines and follow-up procedures helps track progress and ensure that tasks are completed on time. Regular follow-up meetings or check-ins can be scheduled to review the status of action items and address any issues that may arise. Ensuring accountability is vital to maintaining momentum and achieving meeting objectives. By tracking progress and holding team members accountable for their tasks, project managers can ensure that the work is done effectively, efficiently, and that the project stays on track. Evaluating the effectiveness of meetings is essential for continuous improvement. Collecting participant feedback provides valuable insights into what worked well and what could be improved. This feedback can be gathered through surveys, feedback forms, or informal discussions. Lessons learned that analyze what worked and what didn't involve reviewing the meeting's objectives, agenda, and outcomes. Identifying areas for improvement helps refine the meeting process and avoid common pitfalls in the future. Implementing improvements for future meetings involves incorporating feedback and making the necessary adjustments. This might include changes to the agenda, facilitation techniques, or the use of technology. Continuous improvement ensures that meetings become more effective and that team discussions are always productive and engaging. Effective meeting management is critical for getting the most out of team discussions. By focusing on planning and preparation, setting the right environment, facilitating the meeting, employing effective communication techniques, utilizing visual aids and technology, assigning action items and follow-up, and evaluating meeting effectiveness, teams can ensure that their meetings are productive, efficient, and engaging. Continuous improvement and a commitment to effective communication and collaboration are crucial to maximizing the value of team discussions and achieving project success. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you're getting value out of this content, we'd appreciate your liking or sharing the video, and please consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to us. Thanks again for watching. Take care. I'll see you soon with another tip.